When I gave my first interview, the interviewer asked me, Bhavika, tell me about yourself. And I was like, I am Bhavika. And I couldn't say another word after that. Can you imagine? I don't know about myself. How should I tell you? Or आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी सिंपल ट्रिक्स विच यू कैन यूज टू आंसर द मोस्ट आस्क्ड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरव्यूज एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड पीपल आर वेरी नर्वस answering this question. Should I tell I like cooking, or should I tell I like cleaning, or should I tell I like shopping, or should I tell them where I work? So in order to resolve this confusion, I have 3 tips which you can use to make a very good first impression in your interview. Before we get into the video, first we need to understand why interviewer asked this question. First of all, they want to know who you are. By who you are, they don't want to know you like to travel or you like to dance. They want to know your professional goals. Second point, they want to know whether you are right for that role. The opportunity that you are applying to, maybe about 200, 400 candidates are applying to this opportunity. But how your skills are relevant to the role that they are looking. And my friend, you have answered to all of the questions of the interviewer in this simple question, tell me about yourself. So make a very good first impression. Let's get into the video. The first step is talk about your professional experiences. You have to tell them a good professional story. Start about your current role, your designation and the skills that you're working on. Also tell them a little bit about your past company and what are the skills and situations that led you here to your current situation. For example, hi, I'm Bhavika. I have a 4 years of experience as a senior data analyst. I work on business intelligence tools like Tableau and ClickView and ETL tools like SSIS and Ab Initio. I started my career with Accenture, where I got introduced to the domain of data analytics and business intelligence. My current role includes using a lot of SQL and Tableau in my day-to-day work. I am responsible for taking requirement from clients, building ETL pipelines, analyzing data using Tableau dashboards, and getting meaningful insights from those dashboards to communicate to my clients. And if you are a student, you can say, I am a student and I have done my engineering in computer science, or let's say electronics and communication with so or so percentage or so and so CGPA. Second, talk about your accomplishments. A good story is incomplete without achievements. Always tell your achievements along with the numbers. Numbers always tell a beautiful story. For example, I built an ETL that ingested transactional and event data from an app which has about 10,000 daily active users, and it saved about $100,000 to my company. And second, you can tell that you earned Tableau certifications or any skill certifications that in a 3 months time span. The student, you can highlight your achievements like, I did my engineering electronics and communication, but since I had interest in coding, I learned C++ and Java outside of my courses and non-certifications. Apart from that, you can tell about your internships and training, anything which you have done in your summer training. The third and the most important part of your story should be why you are fit for that role. A lot of people like you might be applying for that job. Maybe 100 candidates are applying. So why should they hire you? You don't have to tell them any random answer like you are applying to this job because you are just frustrated in your current company and you don't like your boss. No, you have to be really specific in answering this. For this, you need to do a lot of research about the company, a lot of research about the role, the skills the role requires, and how the skills that the role is requiring are aligning to the skills that you have. So we have learned what to talk, but we should learn how to talk. So the first thing which you should keep in mind is about your body language. So always be confident and have a eye contact with the interviewer. Not only tells that you're confident, but it also tells you are very well prepared for the interview. Don't have that robotic body language at all. Don't be like, yes, I am Bhavika, I am looking for this role. No, please make it interactive, make it like a flow, conversations going on, interviewer is asking some question, you are answering them, X, Y, Z, or whatever. Last thing which I want to talk about is tones. Please keep it professional. Don't tell anything personal. Don't tell about your hobbies or anything. Yeah, you can use your passions to create a good story. Let's say you could tell that I had an interest in coding which led me to this company and that's why I applied to this job. But if your passion doesn't align to the role that you are applying to, do not talk about it. Keep it short. You will, I guess, only get 90 seconds. So in those 90 seconds, make the most of it. Highlight your strengths, your good things, your skills, how you're fit for the role, and then you are good to go. All the best for your interview. But before you go, if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your like button will tell me I have to make more such videos. Thank you.